How to make full use of every inch of land in a factory building. DW3015C compact laser cutting machine. Disruptive lateral push-pull platform. Changing the material is as simple as pulling out a drawer. Super compact in terms of floor space, saving transportation costs. Small size, complete functions. Power range from 3000 W to 3000 W. 5G acceleration. Cutting speed as fast as lightning. All the functions are fully equipped. The 5th generation high-strength aluminum beams ensure long-term stability. Fully enclosed safety protection in compliance with international CE standards. DW3015C, with its innovative design, redefines efficient cutting. It is the inevitable choice for intelligent factories to reduce costs and increase efficiency.